Hello and welcome to PowerPoint 2016 training. I'm going to be trying to show you some of the main features about PowerPoint. So let's get started. This is a quick overview. We'll move straight along. So my name is John Varghese. I've been working with PowerPoint for the last 20 years. I have worked for a production company, so I had to use it heavily, and working with students, youngsters, as well as older people, I've had to teach it in different ways. That has taught me a valuable lesson, that what looks straightforward to some people is not straightforward to others. So I've had to alter the way I teach to help them learn a lot faster. So this is a quick overview. Thank you for listening. Let's get started. There will be exercise files in this, so we will try and let you download them after each module. So navigating PowerPoint is the first thing. So let's tour the navigation and then give you a tour of the PowerPoint interface. So this is PowerPoint when it's not in slideshow. When you open it up, you will probably see this, and you can create new presentations from there, or open up your previous ones or ones that are on the cloud. That's a new feature of 2016. It was in the previous one as well. It allows you to save it as a file on the cloud or on the PC, and you can browse to different places and folders. You can also save it as PDF. If you've got Adobe PDF, it will allow you to create multiple slides from there. Print allows you to print it to a color printer or to a PDF. So you can see here how it can be collated or changed around. One of the best functions of this is it allows you to do 9 slides to a page, and then you can write your notes on it. That might actually be quite useful for giving out to people so that they can make their quick notes on this. 6 is also quite useful with less space for notes. The other one which have seen quite a lot is this. I find the 9 is adequate. 9 or the 6 for the people. If it's an older audience, then definitely 6 or 3. But if it's a younger audience, 9 would do, because they can see a lot closer. Right, you can share it with people, you can email it to people now, you can export it as a video, as a PDF, and even as a CD. I've got an account with Office 2016, and I have a subscription of Office 365. So I've turned on the updates as needed. Feedback, that's where you can give your comments about it. The last one was the options. You've got extra options here to customize it to your preferences of shortcuts and things like that. So this is just a quick overview. You can see here is the file. If you press the back to go back to this, you've also got the most common ones here. That's the F5 or the slideshow mode. That's the repeat option, and then you've got undo. On here on the top far right, left hand side, sorry, you'll see all the main functions. The main ones you're going to be using is home, design, and insert. And at the very end, you would probably want to go to slideshow from the beginning when you are ready to present or practice. One useful tip I would say is you can minimize here and maximize and restore in that one. That one is capable of moving things around, and you can maximize it there. Minimize is just so that it goes down into the window, and you can maximize it again. That one is like a um, option which allows you to move things around. And this one is obviously the close. So if you try to close something, it will say, do you want to save this? If you say yes, it will save it. It would ask for a name. If you say no, obviously it won't be saved, so you can't get that back. So pay attention when it's asking you, would you like to save it? Right, let's give you a whirlwind tour. On the far left hand side, these are the slides that I have got, and I'm just showing you with my example here. That is the slides. Down here it tells you the number of slides you got. On this I got 141. On this one it will allow you to spell check, and it tells you which version of the English you're using. You've got notes under here, so you can write your notes per slide, or you can make your comments here, which can be visible or not visible. So you got the slide sorter view here, you got the normal view, and then you got the reading mode. The reading mode is like the presentation, but allows you to read your things just to test things. And then you got the slide sorter view, and then you can zoom in and out. Let me just end that. You can zoom in and out of the slides. You can see it's a lot more responsive now, a lot more faster in many ways. So is it worth the upgrade? Yeah, I think so. Right, this allows you to go up and down. This is the bottom of the slides. See, 141. As we go to the top, it tells you slide number 1. If you double click it, it goes into this main slide sorter type view, but all the slides are on the left, and all the big text and design options are here on the right. Okay, you got on here, you got the page, the new slides. Let me just show you a new slide. You can choose from one of these. So let's just say we're going to go with this. So that allows me to drop in a picture quite easily. That might be useful for you. And then you've got here duplicate slides and slide from outline. Now slides from outline is one of the hidden features of this. What's it done? It's just created from a text file a complete set of slides depending on the text file. So that's a useful function. Just going to undo that one for here. And then you've got, as we go to the right, you got the paste, the layout, and the selection. You also got the fonts. When you got a text to active, it will then show you the color and the font you might want to do. So let's just type in test, e-test as I've got here, and I can change the color and the font, but I gotta have it selected, and you can see there. You can change the font size up, you can change the name, so if you want a nice fat font, and then you got all the alignment and things like that. Okay, numbering options are here. You can draw shapes and arrows and other designs from here. You got the shape fill, you got the find and replace, and things like that. Under the index, you can add columns, charts, things like that, and then you can have shapes and smart art. Let's have a quick look at Smart Art. Now, it does look a lot more nicer and a few more extra well designed things you can add in. You can see how dynamic and fast that tends to move. Right. Once we go into insert, you got other things like media, insert pictures, slides, and even video and audio. You can also narrate your slides as well. Design allows you to pick from a theme or style depending on what you want the overall look of it to be. Some of these are now a lot more designer than the previous bad designs that they had. Now we're going to move on to transitions. Transitions allow you to preview when you click it. There you go. And you can adjust the settings and the size of it. Animations are if you want certain things to float in or do different things, you can preview it. And then you've got slideshow from the beginning, middle or the end, and then you can record slides, review it, and view is there. Also, if you have Adobe PDF, you will have this one. Most other people wouldn't have that. Okay, let's just see what happened to our patient.